best vacuum for drywall dust. Number 1. VACMASTER VBV1210. It comes featured with a polypropylene body that makes the unit extremely durable. You will be able to carry out heavy-duty cleaning tasks in your workshop with this without having to worry that much. The unit is extremely versatile. You will be able to complete both dry and wet cleaning tasks with it. It comes along with a plethora of accessories to let you carry out all of those tasks easily. To allow you to securely store them and keep it within your reach while you are working, it comes with integrated accessory storage too. Number 2. DEWALT 18/20 of a volt max vacuum. The one thing that lets it stick out the most among all the units out there is that it can operate with a power cord and also with 18 volts or 20 volts lithium-ion battery. That means you will be able to use it while carrying it further away from the power outlet. Above all, the overall capacity of the unit is quite substantial as well. It has a 2-gallon dust container, which means you will not have to empty it out frequently and will be able to carry out prolonged cleaning sessions without any hassles. It also comes with a built-in washable and reusable HEPA filter. It traps up to 99.97% of the floating debris. Because of this filter, it will be able to ensure clean air around you. Number 3. STANLEY 6-gallon wet-dry vacuum. Another well-known manufacturer in the case of power tools is STANLEY. They also have an extensive lineup of power tools that are for different types of tasks. This unit is one of the large capacity vacuums that they are currently offering in the market. The overall capacity of the cleaner is 6 gallons. The motor that it features is quite efficient too. It is rated at 4 horsepower. It can run continuously for 300 hours without showing any signs of performance degradation. Number 4. Workshop Wet-Dry Vac. The highlighting feature that sets it apart from all the other units out there is the substantially large container that it comes with. The overall capacity of the container is 16 gallons, which means you will be able to carry out prolonged cleaning sessions without any issues at all. It comes with a unique hose that is extremely flexible. However, because of the port that it fits into, it will be able to rotate at 180 degrees, which will make cleaning tasks more manageable. Number 5. ONEIDA Molded Deluxe Dust Deputy Kit. The unit comes integrated with the proprietary neutral vane technology. This technology implements centrifugal force that will trap and collect 99% of the debris and dust from the air before it goes into the filter. Then, this feature will eliminate the chances of hose clogging. Accordingly, the unit is quite versatile as well. You will be able to pick wet mess and dry dust with this. It comes with a 2 inches drain port in the bottom that will let you quickly empty out the liquid mess that you are going to collect with it. The overall capacity of the container is quite large too. It is 10 gallons, which will let you carry out extended cleaning sessions without having to empty the drum out frequently.